Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Notifications. Then click on App Notifications at the top. Select All and pick one of those options: Most Recent, Most Frequent, or Notifications Turned Off. Wherever you decided, when you're done, tap on the blue switcher next to your app from which you want to block notifications. You can switch them back on the same way. You can also just click on one of your apps located on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!